What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Detroit Muscles Garage. Today is gonna be installation video. In today's video we're gonna be installing a side steps on a 2020 Ram Laramie. Let's get started. I'm gonna tell you which steps I choose for my truck, and I'm gonna tell you why, and I'm gonna show you how to install it if you have a truck like mine and if you need a side step installed on your vehicle. This would be much easier to install it up on a lift, but I don't got a lift, so I gotta work with what I got, right? It's gonna be a little bit tight over here, but it is what it is. We gotta get it done. I can't drive this truck without those steps on. It drives me totally insane, guys. I just wanted to say there is a tons of different side steps you can choose out there, aftermarkets and whatnot. You know, I'm gonna put a link down in the description below from some aftermarket ones. Also, as well, I'm gonna put the links from the one that I got, and I choose the OEM one for a reason. I'm very extremely picky when it comes to my vehicles, guys. Most of you guys know that been following me for a while on my channel and on my old channel. So I'm very picky about how I upgrade my vehicles and whatnot. So I like to keep everything nice and OEM. For the reason being, installation is gonna be easier. I know that the OEM did that math, that engineering, so it should be breeze to install. And I quite frankly like the look of it. I choose exactly the same side steps like on my 2019 Ram. They should be matte black like so. I think they're gonna look very well with this truck because there is some black accent over here, as you can see, on the hood here, and the hood over here and whatnot. So and the truck is also kind of dark, so you got a dark trim over here, so it's gonna match pretty nice in my opinion. So that's why I choose those steps, and I think they're pretty good looking steps. So they're gonna look like that and whatnot, at least what I think that I got that. I haven't opened them up yet, and I really don't know what I have until I open it up and see what I actually have. You know, they might goofed up, so I have no idea what they had. So I'm gonna open them up now, and I'm gonna get everything prepared, and I'm gonna show you how to install those. So okay, let's find out what they give us yesterday. I cut this up like so. Roll that over. Hopefully we got the right part number. Oh yeah, looks like we got the right ones, guys. So this should be breeze. So anyways, stay with me. I'm gonna get prepared everything, and we're gonna put those on. Alright fellas, this should be very straightforward installation. I haven't did a research how to do it. I just opened up the box and look what I got, and it looks like it's a straightforward installation. It should be no problem whatsoever. There's your steps right here from Mopar. Those are gorgeous, guys. This is why also I recommend getting something OEM. They cost a little bit more money, but it's worth it. I think they're nice products, and that's the only thing came with it. So that tells me we already got a studs available underneath the truck. So we're gonna go underneath it, put those on the bolts, tighten up the bolts. We're gonna be all set to go. Stay with me. I'm gonna get everything prepared right now. By the way, guys, I also want to state this, okay? These are a high quality part. They're not cheap Chinese stuff. Look at it. I'll try to zoom that in. It's a made in Canada. It's a North American product. It should be great. Very good. And also, these trucks, it's on the other side. I want to show you another thing. Ooh, look at those lights, they're gorgeous. this truck nowadays, guys, they're made in my hometown, about 10 miles away from where my house is, in Sterling Heights, Michigan. So yeah, I'm very happy to have this as an American. I love to see that happening. Let's see here. Look at this. Vehicle made in USA. That's right, made in USA. They're made right here in my hometown, like I said, 10 miles away from my house. And you know what the greatest thing that I really love about my next door neighbor? She's a line leader where these trucks are made. It's brilliant. I love it. Right there, that house. So it's great. I love it. Alright, let me get prepared and get those on a truck. Just to give you guys a heads up here, it says right here, left hand. So they're marked up. I find that out on a hard way. I have them backwards and I couldn't line that up. I was wondering if they're left and right, and they are. It says right hand right there. So look before you install them. One says left hand, the other one says right hand. Make sure you position them on the right spot. Alright guys, using the supplied bolts, you're just gonna secure this in a place. Let me see if they're calling for any torque specifications or not, but I don't believe. So we're gonna open this up, cut this out if I can. 14 foot-pounds. I'm gonna go and get my torque wrench. Not that I need it, but we're gonna torque them down to 14 foot-pounds. So let me put this on. Sorry guys, I'm a one-man show over here. I don't have a camera crew like these fancy YouTubers. One-man show. There you go. One-man show in a garage with a one tool. Okay, got that. I got the 30 millimeters. We're gonna snug those up. Okay, we got the one bolt on, so that's gonna secure it right here. It's gonna secure it so that thing gonna stay up there. So I gotta put three more bolts there, 3 here and 3 here, and this side is done. I'm sorry about if this thing came out quite nice down here, guys. Like I said, I'm on a one-man show, so I'm doing the best I can to show you guys how this is installed, and it's not that difficult. Alright, so the one side is done, guys. Right here, I'm just gonna try to make the best shot as possible. It took me literally 15 minutes maybe at the most to get this wrapped up. All I have to do is come back and retorque it to 14 foot-pounds. Now I'm gonna go on the other side and repeat the process, guys. I mean, it should take me nothing to install that. Then I'm gonna pull the truck out and we're gonna do a walk around. Should look pretty nice when it's all set and done. Alright everybody, only thing left to do right now is to torque down those boards to 14 foot-pounds of torque that is specified on the from Chrysler. So I have this torque wrench right here. I'm gonna set it up right now and I'm gonna go underneath. Torque those down, and I'm gonna pull the truck out and we're gonna check around. I'm gonna do a little walk around. Alright guys, even in a tight space like this, I managed not to scratch the truck, not to scratch the Hellcat, and installed these side running boards.
It's about peace of mind and making your neighborhood a safer place.
running boards. I think it looks awesome. Gives it a little tougher look. They came out perfect. Here's the other side. Nice and rugged. Perfect, no problems. This is why, guys, I choose to use OEM parts, because they're really very well engineered and they're made to fit properly. They put a lot of effort to make it to be OEM. OEM, it's OEM. Some of the other brands that I looked before to buy, you know, they have adjustable brackets, this and that. It's like, why? Just get the OEM. The look is perfect. It's designed to flow nice with the truck. The installation, it's easy, and you know, maybe you're gonna pay a little bit more in the price, but hey, it's an OEM. And if you keep the truck to be your truck, I think that's gonna bring up the value a little bit better. In my opinion, guys, always nowadays the OEM stuff, it's better than aftermarket. The big three, the factories, they got smarter, you know what I'm saying? They watching out there, you know, they make a product and then aftermarket jumps in and makes a different accessories. Well, nowadays the OEM, there are all kinds of accessories for your truck from, you know, you can buy it straight from a dealer. Yeah, it costs a little bit more money, but as picky as I like to keep my cars like, you know, like the Hellcat, everything that I have on there, it's an OEM, and I like it that way. So there you go, guys. Even, I'm gonna say it again, on a difficulty meter, even in a tight space like this, 30-degree weather, laying down on the floor, I'm gonna put this installation from a scale 1 to 10, I'm gonna put it right at 3. For me, it was piece of cake to install. The biggest challenge was some of the bolts, they got overspray with paint. You gotta clear out the paint before you can put the bolts in. But other than that, everything went nice and smooth, and the truck looks awesome. I already love it even more. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.